Hello. Which one? Shebi, tell me. Did you tell me you're at the gate or not? Okay, I'm at the gate. If you know you are not interested in this, I have a lot of clients standing in front of me like this now. I want to collect this property. If you know you are not collecting this property, get out.
Okay.
I'm at the gate. I'm standing in front of the gate.
Okay.
Okay, you come. Which one be?
I got really ball. Ulo your makrama. Hope the house is fine.
Now forget we still there. On a gate, I can.
Okay.
Now you with the cost since?
Wait, I don't understand. Who they rent house? Now you have it. Now this person they rent there.
I be in son. Now my papa be this.
Who in the call this person? Now me be this person. You
know,
no get respect.
Bato put on happy.
I know they like people when they get respect. I ain't gonna call me this person.
Wait, you know when they send you the brief for the work, I know tell you say na working class person at the farm.
No be work come here. We jump come.
Working class work that you do for a living. Which one be say you work on you? That one where you do no be trek. Which one be na work be that?
Na trekking class, all of them na the same thing. Work and trek, no OT. If you no trek, you no go work. If you no work, you no go trek. Show us the house, make we go sleep. You don't this Lagos to get wahala.
Oh, okay. As I say working class, now you work out on you. That makes you what? A working class. Okay. That's very intelligent.
English on us now
English on one It's not our thing.
So now are you here with your inspection fee?
Inspecting what?
When you police inspector, police, I don't like you too much. Why you carry me come this kind of place?
Oh, the man go Lord Jerusalem goes in here.
You never see how they call inspector.
You go give me money for inspection fee before I go sit down. Who be this one? Who shall I carry person when they drive power by con they wear black and black like this?
Wait, now me in the talk to Abina you.
Oga, wetin my papa dey talk be say make you carry us go inside, make we see the house first.
You go give me inspection fee before you go see house. Now today you come Lagos, I see they worry this one. You wear cap like Gunu, say you want the wine me for. Give me money, Joe.
You don't carry what you carry go for home, carry and come Lagos. What you carry go for home, carry come Lagos. The first person where we don't meet now na trouble. Which kind of thing be this one? Waka. Show me house, make I go rest.
Show you house, make you go rest. You never rent house, you want rest. Now to rest in peace be down. Because if you don't give me inspection fee, I don't know where they go. That working class where you come, work out here, you go working class, go back. I don't know where to go.
Oga, abeg, my papa too dey vex speak.
Papuyo.
Mpamne we walk on.
Papuyo.
If we see the house, we go pay you anything, any amount where you want.
You go pay my inspection fee.
Yes.
You go pay my caution fee.
Yes.
You go pay my 50% agency and agreement fee.
Okay, one compa.
Pepe carry ala. Pepe carry kwalo. Pepe elepon. Oga Pepe don't too much for you. I know the one pay this one. Show me house. You tell here they take Pepe.
Make we go. More they go.
Huh?
More go. Someone na carry bag. I hope so. No, na to inspect, no be to live for the house. Na to inspect.
I don't like. Some place where person go they go. They do it like say na this thing. Hello, this will happen. Hello, I don't like who do money. Why you leave me come out to enter inside? Hello, which road did go?
Leave him no.
Oh, this into the payment.
I know the renters. I know the rent. I make me come out for you. Can't go with this one now.
Okay, calm down now. Your body too the hot one. Come on down.
My body too the hot. Where you wear pinafore, you wear trampoline. Inside also, you say my body the hot. Make I no come. This side follow you.
Okwachikwela again. Okwachela. Ai batala. Ha! Ngwa.
This kind of house will never enter. Eh?
Kwelu.
70 years old.
Wait. Mba no we go to okwu. Jawa we. We need to call Zoka. Ngwa we.
Hello, do load here can we look well. Na shrine with the enter. Which one I go carry leg up, carry down, carry leg. I believe me jump like one.
I never give them in the house. I'm already fed up.
Now the man they beg like bush. Now they cry like bush so.
Mom.
This kind of house they do me somehow.
Ha, mpa.
Huh?
Ulo bribo, the house too big.
Too big, not be too big money. Now small house will go there for 1 month. Wait for my wife Maggie to come back from America.
Which one be the house big?
speak now.
Wait, why they look that side? How much you give me? How much as you say you want rent? No be 25,000 where you want rent for 2 months.
25,000 not too big for you. This man, you get too big. I don't like you.
You don't we'll see. No touch. If you touch me, I don't send you. I go. What? The blind shall see you. See your house for here, Joy. They tell me say the house too big.
Jesus Christ.
They want me. You don't need the ladder. Now the downstairs they stay. You and 3 other person go share that downstairs. You say the house too big.
Inu Hokuru. Osi no na nke no na ala ka ga no. Na ndị mmadụ atọ, anyị na mmadụ atọ ga share the house.
Nke na nne go wa ya atọ ga-eji.
It shall be me gi na negi. Wetin be me gi na negi. Oga na gi na negi with 3 other person na him go dey for that house, and the 3 other person all of them dey get me gi na negi. That means na go be 9 for that house.
Why you cry like a goat? I don't like it. Talk waiting in talk or explain.
All see that na Guma. Mua.
I'm abroad.
Namma. Na another people kwa do tied. Like abroad mo wato.
Ndishi.
Na get picture kwa the same place.
Yes, that's
it. Yeah, is she community compound?
Is that's what you can. That is 25,000 naira. And if you want to shit or you want to bath, you go come outside, go see bike 15 naira. To carry on and go where and go bath. Now come back.
Obra Jesus Christ.
Yeah, Obra with someone go Emmanuel. Wait, toilet no there for the place.
He dey toilet there, but you no dey here. Now I tell you say the place.
I be in Nigeria. I got sound Nigeria.
That one. See, tell your papa, me I go get blow.
Oga, this thing wey dey talk, you no make sense. So check am. Check am. You no make sense. How you go say make me and my papa and the other 3 people come live the same place?
How much you pay?
25,000. No be wetin you tell me.
Now 1 month, no be 2 years.
Okay, you pay 25,000 naira for 1 month, and you want to stay in a duplex. Say after me, say, oh God, my father. Say, oh God, my father.
Oh God.
Say, oh God, my father.
Onya, pastor. Which place you carry me enter? You look for house for me. You carry me come here and then responsible.
Come and go. Come and be going. Don't worry. I don't have to go back before. Mona, come they go. Sir, come. Let me show you the second place. Sir, please come. Let me show you the second place.
I'm not like people who get to stop mine.
Yes.
Don't be talk.
Yes.
I'm not like you.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. No, I want to show you. I want to show you another place. Oh yeah, Welukwelu. Yes, and put it down.
I bring my attention na season. God, what am I want to do?
Welukwelu first now. Yes, bring it down. Bring down that house you go like a no. Oga Welukwelu now. Bring it outside and get out of my house.
Where the house?
The place.
Onye nyuru makan.
Our agent in Rugaka.
Eje onye.
Onye go so na. Ebi
You talk too much. I don't like you. You talk too much. This boy. Why you bring me to lion to Therefor me? What kind of house? Oluwa boy, I don't like. Oluwa boy.
Who go give me my agent?
Eje.
Who go give me my inspection fee?
Infection fee. You carry infection.
You go give me my inspection fee.
Inspection is inspection.
No worry, just let me show you another house.
Oluwa boy, no they carry me. They go anywhere.
Sorry, don't worry. Don't let me show you
another house.
Who hold me?
It's Oluwa boy.
That hold me.
Yes.
Mpa come to go. Also easy go loss.
You talk too much. You talk too much.
Also easy go loss.
Ulozo.
Yes. Ngba Welukwelu.
Ozo aha wo ko ka me.
Ba bu kolam je ba sheba po.
Yes.
Ana hapu go.
Welu another.
Hapu kolam.
Oya.
He said?
Release the dog. Release the dog.
Dog.
Yes.